Hello parents, this is our week 10 sight word vocabulary. Please remember to practice every night with your child.
Thank you.
Graph. G-R-A-S-S, graph. Rock. R-O-C-K, rock. Wind. W-I-N-D, wind. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Chase. C-H-A-S-E, chase. My. M-Y, my. See. S-E-E-C. I. Jump. J-U-M-P, jump. N. Please remember to practice every night for about 20 minutes. Thank you and have a great week.